Coming to you. I said it's not coming to you.
Can I pet it?
So you want me to make I die?
No, like this, you survived it now.
Of course, I'm a survivor. My middle name is Survival. You know, I'm not telling you before. They even told me I should be aware of monkeys. Yeah, I'm trying to be aware of monkeys. So this is the walkway. Heading to, I don't even know where we're heading to. But don't worry guys, I'll keep you updated. Let's move it. This way to the family park. So we are here, heading to family park, guys. Woo! Yeah, na phone. Lekki Conservation Center is a nature reserve and environmental education center. It spans over 78 hectares and features a canopy walkway, the longest in Africa, offering panoramic views of the surrounding lush vegetation. The center aims to promote biodiversity conservation, environmental awareness, and ecotourism, making it a popular destination for nature enthusiasts and educational tours. It is located in the heart of Lagos, Nigeria.